Hello. He is Papa Francis. His name Jorge Mario Bergoglio. He is 84 years old. He has a dual Argentine and Italian nationality. He is religious Pope, lives in the Vatican. He is single. Papa Francis is spiritual leader of more than one sees on the world population. This is Mario Bergoglio and Regina Maria. They are the father's parents. Mario Jose Bergoglio, 19 years old. Regina Maria, 18, 5 years old. Boo Deak. Mario and Regina have 3 children. His name Oscar Adrian Bergoglio, brother on the Papa. He is 82 years old. Her name is Marta Elena Bergoglio, sister of the Pope. She is 80 years old.